Just filming back at it again for more practice. This practice video will be mode again, but it will be IXL that I'm working on. I want to remind you that to practice just the mean or the median or the mode, you have to go back into 5th grade on IXL. 6th grade has them all combined together, so if you want to practice one thing at a time, 5th grade section X is probability and statistics. The mode is X1, so without further ado. And again, when you're finding the mode, you're finding the number that occurs the most often. So for this problem in IXL, we have 8 is 1, 2, 3 times, and 9 is 1, 2 times. 8 occurs more often, so our mode for that problem should be 8. Awesome. We'll do another one. 8 occurs once, 8 occurs twice, 26 occurs once, 26 occurs twice, 26 occurs 3 times, 20 is 1, 2 times, and 29 is 1 time. So again, even though 26 happens 2 times and even though 20 happens 2 times and 8 happens 2 times, 26 happens 3 times, that's most often. That's what mode is, the number that occurs the most often. So our mode for this problem is going to be 26. And again, what is the mode? 67 occurs once, 67 occurs twice, 67 occurs 3 times, 77 occurs 1 time, 75 occurs 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 is the most that a number occurs, and the only number that occurs 4 times is 75, so that is our mode. Let's bump up to the next level. So again, no matter what the number looks like, your mode is the number that occurs the most often. So 0.9 is 1, 2 times, 0.8 is once, 0.6 is once, 0.3 is once. So our mode for this problem is 0.9. And the next problem, 0.1 occurs once, twice, 3 times, 0.4 is only once, 0.8 is only once. So 0.1 is going to be our answer for this problem. I don't know what happens if you just type 0.1. So let's see, does IXL get mad if you don't put the 0? No, look at that. We'll do one more in this section. So we have 1.4 once, 1.4 twice, 3 times, and 4 times. 3.8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3.8 occurs 6 times. That means it occurs the most often. That's the biggest number we have down there. So our mode is 3.8. Let's bump it up to the last level, or the challenge zone. Again, we're just looking for the number that happens the most. 3.63 once, 3.63 twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, oops, that's not it. They're trying to trick you there. 3.63, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 times, 6.36, 1, 2, 3 times, 3.79 once, and 1.55 once. So our number that occurred the most often was 3.63. So we just type that in our submission box. 3.63. Oops, I messed up because I pushed the 9 instead of the decimal. I'll do another one since that goofed up. Don't rush through things because that's how mistakes happen. 3.4 once, 3.7 2, 3, 4 times, 2.8 one time. So the number that occurs most often is 3.7. I will be more careful this time. 3.7. Submit. There. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Have a good rest of your day.